Right, today is $10 Saturday. Bins have been restocked. All clothes are $5 today, $5 per item for clothes. Bins are $10 per item. You can see we are restocked out here. You do have lots of chips, snack foods up here. Takis, there's some dog treats there. I believe there's dog treats. Yeah, there's dog treats. So we got some food items there. We still got some toolboxes out here, quite a few toolboxes. Hair dryers, we've got drones out here. LED projector there. Lots of great stuff in the bins this morning. And we do have some jewelry up here, not as much as we usually have, but we got some rings, some necklaces. All right, doors open up at 9 a.m. and we close at 5 today. Address here is 506 North 2nd Street in Fort Smith. Shoes, $10 a pair. And we've got more shoes down here. So again, clothes are 5 today. Items in the bins are 10. We've got some Pokemon collector card cases, foosball games, air pumps, exercise ball, face exfoliators. Let's see, we got a mini fridge, drone, hair dryer. Lots of stuff out here, folks. So address is 506 North 2nd Street in Fort Smith. Doors open up here at 9 o'clock. Come on down and save with us.